Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel and today we are here to discuss the introduction to mechanical engineering. Before discussing the mechanical engineering, from today we have started a new playlist, Mechanical Engineering Basics. In this playlist, we will cover the mechanical engineering overview, force, work, power and the torque. We will discuss all these topics in detail. We will cover the gear terminology, gear design, the types of gears, and their uses. We will cover the shaft. In this topic, we will the material selection of the shaft, design of shaft as per our applications. We will also cover the bearings. Here, we will cover the types of bearings, the uses of bearings, and the selection of bearings. We will also cover the couplings. In this, we will cover what are the couplings, uses of coupling, and the types of couplings with their applications. We will also cover the power transmission systems, pumps and compressors. We will cover the types of pumps, design of pumps, and the selection of pumps as per our requirement. We will also cover the maintenance basics and the industrial applications. So, by covering all these topics, we will build your fundamentals about the mechanical engineering step by step. So, let's start our video. Now discuss what is mechanical engineering. A mechanical engineering is the core branch of the engineering. It deals with machines, mechanical systems, and the energy. The mechanical engineering focuses on the motion, force, power, heat, and the material behavior. The mechanical engineering converts the theoretical ideas into the practical working machine. So now we will discuss what does mechanical engineering study. In mechanical engineering, we study the forces acting on the bodies. Mechanical engineering tells us the all types of the forces that acting on this body as shown here. The mechanical engineering is the study of motion of the machine and the mechanism. Means in mechanical engineering, we study as your car is in motion and the mechanism that is installed in your car. All we study in the mechanical engineering. The third one is the energy conversion and the heat transfer. Means the conversion of energy from one form to the another, such as from electrical to mechanical, mechanical to electrical, electrical energy to heat energy, or another forms. The fourth one is the behavior of material under load. Means every material having a different behavior, such as this is a pen and it is made of the plastic. If I am giving a load, bending load on this pen, it is bending. But if the material of pen is cast iron, then if we put the load on the pen, then it will not bend. So in mechanical engineering, we also discuss the behavior of the material under load. And the last one is the study of design and manufacturing of the components. In mechanical engineering, we will discuss the design of gears, design of pump, design of impeller, design of compressor, and design of all the mechanical components. So, what does it mean? It means the mechanical engineering is the combination of science and the application. I hope you have clearly understood what is mechanical engineering. Now we will discuss the core subjects in the mechanical engineering. The first one is the engineering mechanics. In engineering mechanics, we cover force, motion, and the equilibrium. The second one is the strength of material. In this subject, we will cover the stress, strain, stress strain diagram, bending, and the torsional theories. The third one is the theory of machines. In this subject, we will cover the gears, cams, and the all mechanical mechanisms. The fourth one is the thermodynamics. In this subject, we will cover heat, work, power, and the engines. The fifth one is the fluid mechanism. In this subject, we cover the flow of liquid and the gases. The sixth one is the manufacturing process. In manufacturing processes, we discuss about the process of casting, machining, and the welding. And the last one is the machine designs. In machine design, we cover the design of shaft, gears, bearings, and other mechanical components. So these subjects how mechanical machines work and why they fail. Now we will discuss why these subjects are important. Generally, any mechanical machines having the four causes of failure. The first one is stress, second one is heat, third one is the friction, and last one is the vibration. These are only generally the four main reasons of a machine failure. So, after studying all these mechanical subjects, the engineers are able to predict a machine failure, to improve the machine performance, and to increase the efficiency and reliability of the machine. So, without studying these subjects, safe machine design is not possible. Even the safe operation is also not possible. Now, we will discuss what mechanical engineer actually do. The first one is to design any machine component. The second one is the selection of the suitable material for the design. The third one is to calculate the forces, power, energy requirement. The fourth one is to analyze heat and the energy losses. So by analyzing the losses, we can improve the efficiency of our system. And the last one is to maintain and troubleshoot machines. Now, the scope of mechanical engineering means what are the scopes of the mechanical engineers. The first one is the mechanical engineer can work as a design engineer, as a maintenance engineer, production engineer, project engineer, quality engineer, and the technical consultant. In the design engineer, the mechanical engineer is responsible to design any machine component. In the maintenance engineer, the mechanical engineer is responsible to maintain the smooth operation of a machinery. Production engineer, here the engineer is responsible to complete the targets of the production. The project engineers means project engineers are those engineers which are ready for the new installation of any project. Quality engineer which finalize the quality of the any machinery or the component or the material. And the last one is the technical consultant. The, now, why mechanical engineer is called a core branch? Generally, every industry is having a machines, and machines requires only the three things. The first one is power, second one is motion, and third one is the heat control. And all these three things are covered in the mechanical engineering. That's why the mechanical engineers is called as a core branch. So I hope you have clearly understood what is mechanical engineering. Thanks for watching our video, and whatever we have discussed in our first slide. We will cover all the topics related to the mechanical engineering like gears, shafts, and all related to the mechanical engineering. So, like and subscribe our channel and press to the bell icon. Thank you.